Guys, this is a very natural makeup look. कैसे मैंने इस लुक को अचीव किया? Let's get started. अपने हेयर्स को मैंने एक टाइट पोनीटेल में बांध लिया और इस टाइप के एक इयररिंग्स मैंने वियर कर लिए. Next I'm using this Aroma Magic toner on all over my face. Next I'm using this Lotus White Glow Cream. I'm using it as a moisturizer. This is really amazing. बहुत थोड़ा बचा है क्योंकि काफ़ी क्वांटिटी में मैंने इसे यूज़ किया है. This is one of my favorite and amazing product. Next I'm using this L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I have extremely dry skin, that's why I'm using it. Otherwise आपके oily skin है तो आप इस वेदर में इसको skip कर सकते हो. With the help of a spoolie I'm going to comb my eyebrows. And then I'm using this eyebrow drawing by Hilary Roda and using it to define my eyebrows. अपने आईब्रोज को डिफाइन करने जा रही हूँ विद द हेल्प ऑफ द मैचिंग शेड. जो भी कलर मैच करेगा मेरे आईब्रो के साथ उसके हेल्प से मैं अपने आईब्रोज को जो गैप्स है उसको फिल करते जा रही हूँ. सेम ऑन द अदर आईब्रो. अगेन स्पूली की हेल्प से मैं इनको क्लीन कर लूँगी. जो भी एक्सेस प्रोडक्ट होगा वो हमारे आईब्रोज में से निकल जाएगा और काफ़ी ओवर ड्रॉ नहीं लगेंगे, नेचुरल लगेंगे हमारे आईब्रोज. एंड नेक्स्ट आई एम टेकिंग दिस फ्लैट ब्रश. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस फ्लैट ब्रश आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू नीट माई आईब्रोज. आप इस स्टेप को स्किप भी कर सकते हैं बट फॉर द वेरी नेचुरल इफेक्ट आई एम डूइंग दिस स्टेप. एंड अपने आईब्रोज को कंसील कर रही हूँ, कंसीलर अप्लाई कर रही हूँ एक, ताकि मेरी जो आई एरिया पे जो भी प्रॉब्लम है वो भी हाइड हो सके. इसको ही एज आई बेस में स्प्रेड कर दूँगी. एंड ऊपर के एरिया पे भी इसी ब्रश की हेल्प से मैं नीट कर लूँगी अपनी ब्रोज को. एंड देन इस स्टेप को मैं ब्लेंड करूँगी. Now I'm using this Glam 21 का makeup illuminator primer. I'm going to prep my skin to achieve a within kind of glow. For eyebrows defining, I'm using this warm shade in Romantic Beauties palette and going to apply all over my lid with the help of a brush. And we are going to just blend the product toward inner corners to achieve the desired result. Next I'm going to repeat the same process on the other eye to achieve the same look, and just applying the same warm shade and just blending toward inner corner to create a soft look. Do blending nicely to create a seamless look. Don't go too harsh on your eyelid. Now I'm going to change my brush to create a soft look. And we are just going to blend everything seamlessly and softly. We are just giving a round circular motions and then wiper shield inward motions to create a radiant look. This is really a simple look for daily basis, so obviously हमें इसको कुछ ज़्यादा डिफाइन नहीं करना. For base I'm going to use this Estee Lauder foundation and I am just going to dab it all over my face with the help of my fingertip. Just dab, dab, dab. And now we are just going to blend everything seamlessly with the help of a damp beauty blender. Do blending nicely. As I say, the blending is a key. And don't forget your corner of your nose, corner of your lips, corner of your eyes, under eye area, your ear area and your hairline too. Now time to complete our lower lash. We are using the same palette that we used before for our eyelid, and we are just placing the same shade on our bottom eyelid. We are just spreading it all over and just blending to create a radiant look. So you guys can see the difference. Again, I'm following the same procedure on the other eye. Next, I'm going to use this a little bit shimmery shade on the center of my eyelid. I'm just spreading it, I'm just placing it in the center of my eyeball, just to a little bit create a focus on that area. Same procedure on the other eye. Again, time for some face contouring, and I am using the same palette that we use for our eye makeup look, and I am taking that warm shade and just going to contour my face little bit. Always blend your contour in upward motion toward your ear. Never ever blend your contour in downward motion. Next, I'm taking this pack brush and we are just going to define our nose a little bit. For highlighter, I'm using this warm whitish brick baked highlighter and just going to place it on my brow bone, inner corners of my eyes. For blusher, I'm going to use this Take Me Home palette by N Color. I'm using a pink shade and just placing a little bit on my cheek. On my forehead and nose, just swiping the brush to achieve the natural blush. Next, I'm going to use this highlighter. We are going to apply it with our fingertip. We are using very little amount of it. Next, I'm going to use this nude lipstick by Swiss Beauty. For earring, we have these two options. I'm going to wear this round hoops For eyeliner, I'm going to use the same kit that we use for eyebrow defining. I'm taking that charcoal black shade and just placing it on close to my eyelid. For mascara, I'm going to use this Basis Canada mascara. So guys, this is our final finished look. तो ये लुक अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज कमेंट डाउन बिलो. I will definitely create more looks as per your demand. So please let me know in the comment box what kind of look you want to see. मिलते हैं next video में. Bye bye.